Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy A15. And the first thing I want to show you is if you're in a restaurant or at the cinema and someone is calling you and you forgot to put your phone on silence, you can easily mute it. You just put it like this on a flat surface and the phone is immediately muted and disturbs no one. And pretty cool as well is if you pick up your phone later. Could you hear that? There's a little vibration and then you know, okay, there are new notifications or a missed call or something like this, and then you can easily react. And here's my missed call. So pretty nice. The next feature I want to show you is pretty awesome because you can have with one phone, two phones. So with one device, two spaces. Maybe one space for your private stuff and one space for your business stuff. Or one space with your private stuff and second space for your very private stuff. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go down to the point security and privacy. And if you go now here on the point a bit below more security settings, you will find here the secure folder. Just tap on it. First of all, you need to go and continue here, and then you need to register with your Samsung account. I have done it here already. If you don't have a Samsung account right now, you can do it also with your Google email address. So pretty easy. After, just tap here on continue, and the phone is creating now this secure folder. This is taking a few seconds, so this is why I'm forwarding the video right now. Okay, then we are at the next step, and here we have to set up a password to lock the folder. You can do it with a pin, with a password, or a pattern. So you can choose. I'm a fan of the pin here, and yeah, let's enter now a pin. Let's take 4 times the 9. Please take a better one. After, just tap here on continue or on done. So he's telling me now this is not so safe, but I use it anyway. Now re-enter this code again. So more, in my case, 4 times the 9. Please take yours after going OK on done. And this point here, I would recommend to you that you turn this on, because this is, if you forget this password, then you can reset it with your Samsung account. So go and turn on, it's better. Then just go on next. By the way, you can add also fingerprints here, but you can do that later. Let's go on next. And then we are in our secure folder. So as I've said, this is a completely independent area here. So we have an own camera, and all the pictures I'm doing here with that camera are only visible in the gallery here at the secure folder. We have an own internet browser, and all the browser history we are here, all the website we are surfing on, it's only visible here in this browser history at the secure folder. Own contacts, own files like PDF files and so on, own calendar entries, own notes and so on. And if you want, you can add also apps here with the plus symbol. So you can choose from existing apps already on your phone and so on, and you will make a copy, maybe with WhatsApp here. If you go on add, you will have a own WhatsApp account here in the secure folder, independent from your main WhatsApp account on the phone. And if you go on the plus symbol again, you can also choose apps which one you don't have on your phone right now. You can download it from the Play Store or from the Galaxy Store. And these apps are only visible then here at the secure folder. By the way, to find the secure folder, if you want to have it, so this is our main view here and so on, you will find it here at the app drawer, and here it is, the secure folder. We enter it, we are there. But hold on, why he's not asking you for a pin code right now or for a pattern? Yes, this is only if you put the phone on standby. If you say, okay, I want to have it more secure, just tap here on the 3 points, go on the point settings, and you could choose the auto lock from the secure folder. Actually, it's just when the screen turns off, so if the phone is on standby. But if you want to have the most safest one, it's the first one each time. If you're leaving an app, then the secure folder is automatically locked. I'm sorry. And if you say, okay, I don't need always this pin code and so on, just choose the last one here. Only if you restart your phone, then you need to enter your secure folder. Okay, let me show you now something. If you have already some existing data on your phone which one belongs to the secure folder normally, like pictures or something like this. In case of pictures or videos, just tap here on the gallery. Then choose maybe pictures which one should be at the secure folder, long press one of these photos or videos. And you can choose also other ones here as you want. And then just go here on more and go and move to secure folder. And these files are only visible then at the secure folder. No? That is appeared here. Let's double check at our secure folder. And they're only visible now here at the gallery. So pretty cool. Yeah? In case, if you say, okay, the secure folder, it looks a bit, maybe people are more interested in if there's something, if they see this symbol here and the secure folder, because some people knows already the secure folder and so on. If you want to prevent it, so just go on the secure folder, go on the 3 points, go on customize, because here you can give another name for the secure folder. Yeah, let's do it like this, just an example. And then you can choose also another symbol for the secure folder, maybe a star. You can give the icon also another color, maybe red. Go on apply. And now we have another name here for the folder. And more important, it looks completely innocent right now. So no one really knows that you have your business stuff there or whatever. So a pretty nice mode here if you need a second space. The next feature I want to show you is for the camera, because sometimes there are situations you need your camera immediately and then just double tap the power button and you are immediately at the camera. This works, by the way, for all the Samsung smartphones, so you can show it also to your friends. Pretty nice. But what is the most amazing thing here, this feature is it works also on standby mode. No? So maybe you have a nice scene now and you need your camera very quick. Just double tap the power button and you're immediately at the camera. And hey, maybe this saves you a great picture one day. Another feature I want to show you is for the front cam, because you can do easily selfies. But just lifting up your hand and the phone knows that you want to make a selfie. One more time, just lift up your hand. There's a little countdown, smile, and we have a nice selfie. And if you want, you can split easily the screen here at the phone, because the screen is large enough to do 2 things at the same time. Maybe you are watching a YouTube video while checking something on the internet. Well, let me show you a bit more about. So let us open YouTube here. And if I want to split the screen now, I just take 2 fingers, swipe them from below to the middle of the screen, and I split the screen. And now I can check from some apps here below. Let's continue with our example here with the browser. So then I will have on top here YouTube, and here below I have the browser. So I can check something meanwhile on the internet. Pretty nice, But don't wonder if this feature doesn't work at you, because you have to enable it first. For that, just scroll down here. Type here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point advanced features. And you will need the point multi-window. And I recommend to you to enable now the first 2 points here, and the swipe for split screen and swipe for pop-up view. So pretty nice. And let's do it again. With our example here, YouTube, but it works also, of course, with other apps. Take 2 fingers, swipe them up from below. And now I can choose here on the lower screen another app. You can choose as well anyone here. If you need a bit more space for the lower app, just tap on the 3 points in the middle, swipe them up a bit, and I have more space now for my browser. I'll swipe them down and I have more space for my upper screen here for YouTube in that case. Pretty nice. And yeah, you can do some more stuff here with that. Now let me open YouTube again. And I can open it now in a pop-up view by just swiping you from the corner easily until I have the best size for my little window. And now I'm having here a movable pop-up window with YouTube. I can watch now a video while doing something else on the phone as well. Pretty nice. If you want to have it bigger, just tap on the blue bar, then you can increase it. Or with the X, you can remove this floating window. The next feature I want to show you is if you're having children. Maybe if you want to give your phone to a child, or if this phone is used by a child in general. Because there's a mode which one is very child friendly. Let me show you a bit more about. If you want to enable this feature, just swipe up here, and then you're having here a search bar. Enter in the search bar kids. Where's the K? and then it's appeared already here after KI, no? Then just tap on the app named Kids. So first of all, tells us a bit more about, then go and continue. So Samsung Kids, a safe space for kids. Continue. Okay, then you have to allow some stuff with notifications and so on. Just tap on allow. Okay, now we are here at the kids space. Okay, it's an own space only for children, very child friendly. First of all, you need to download here the apps. Just tap on it. You need internet for that, and yeah, you have to agree on the terms and conditions most of the time. This one you can remove. This is optional. Go on agree. Go on install. Okay, now it's downloaded here. Let me do it with the other apps. I will forward the video a bit right now. Okay, I've downloaded now all the apps so that you have an impression here with the way I've shown you before. And yeah, this is a bit similar here than the secure folder, but in a very child-friendly way. By the way, we have an own camera here as well. And all the pictures we are taking here. By the way, we can have also some effects here, like to have other eyes and so on. Children loves that, as you can see. Pretty nice. And all the pictures here we are doing with this camera, they is only visible here at the own gallery here of this child mode. So pretty nice. And we have very child-friendly games here. So just check it out a bit. And we have also an own browser, and they can allow some website, and the child is only allowed to use these websites and so on. You have an own phone, and the child is not allowed to take to call all the numbers. At the beginning, you need to always to allow something, and you can give a list here for your child, and these numbers are only available for your kid. In case if you want to go out here of this child mode, just tap here on the arrow, and then you need to enter your phone pin, so the one to unlock the screen with. In my case, it's 4 times the 1. Please take yours. Go and continue, or done, and we are back in the regular mode. By the way, here at the app drawer, now we will have here the kids mode directly, so we don't need to look always on the search bar for it. If you want to enter, just tap here on the kids mode symbol and so on. If you want to go out, tap here on the arrow, enter your code and so on. But I think you notice most of the time, also most of the cases, the child knows also your phone pin, the one you're using. And this is the reason why I recommend to you to set up here for this child mode an own pin code. That the child, if you want to keep him here inside this mode only, that it doesn't go out. If you want to have an own pin code, just tap here on the 3 points, go on the settings, and you can create, after entering your phone pin again, here a lock type for your parental control. If you set up an own Samsung Kids pin, so only here for this area. If you want to add also some apps here, because these apps are limited and maybe with the time it gets boring, you can add also some more apps here, also on the 3 points. Go on more apps for kids, or you can add also apps which one are already on your phone and you know that your child likes it and is allowed to use it. Then go on add and edit apps here. In that case, enter your phone pin or the Samsung Kids pin. In case, go and continue, and then you can add here with the plus symbol some apps here from your phone. You can choose also more than one here, and Mate is allowed to continue listen Spotify and so on. Just add it, go on the plus symbol here to add it, and then Spotify is also here visible, or YouTube Kids and so on and so on. So don't forget after to tap on save. And what is pretty nice, I like this also, if you allow your child to have a new app, it's in a surprise package here. Then the child have to tap it first, and then, hey, I can use this app, and this will give a smile to your kid. I think a pretty, also they did it very cute here. So a nice mode if you're having children, or if this phone is used by one of your children in general. The next feature I want to show you is if you want to use your phone with one hand. So you cannot reach everything with one hand, with one thumb and so on, but there's a way to make the screen a bit smaller by just swiping down the home button, and then you are having this mini screen here, and it's much more comfortable right now because I can reach everything. I can even play games and so on. But don't wonder if this feature doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable it first. So just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings, then you need to go to the point advanced features. Here it is, and you need this point here enabled one-handed mode. So it needs to be marked blue here, like in my case. And that means whenever you swipe down now the home button, then you are having here this mini screen. If you're left-handed, you can bring it also on the other side with the arrow here. Or what is also pretty nice here with the bar on top, you can bring it in another position, so that you have the most comfortable position here with your thumb and so on. So you can do whatever you want, even play games and so on, as I've told you before. If you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do and you need the full screen mode again, just tap here on the outside and you're back always in the regular mode. Pretty nice. And if you want, you can take also a picture of your screen, so a screenshot. Very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status and so on. For that, you have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot. One more time. Take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you're having a screenshot. Yeah, there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the buttons for. So the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you have the editing symbol, you can share it directly and so on. Also pretty nice. Let me show you a bit more about. So just press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for short together and you're having a screenshot. After, if you tap now on the editing symbol, you have the chance also to draw something inside or to highlight something, or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, and this is also pretty useful if you want to capture a picture from a website. After, you can just tap here on the sharing symbol, or with the arrow, you will send it directly to your gallery. And apropos gallery, where are screenshots? Of course, here the gallery. Here they are. And I would recommend to you to go always to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. And the last feature I want to show you is also pretty useful these times. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you will have here a QR code reader. And a scan QR code. Just tap on it, and then if you hold it over a QR code, you will have directly the information or the link to a website and so on. In my case, it's thanks for watching Phones and More. Thank you so much for watching here this video. I hope I could show you here some nice tips and tricks and so on for your phone. And yeah, if you want, you can give me a nice comment, or if you have a question, ask me just in the comments, or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more videos and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.